unk to these kids. I hate it.
Tushmo0ove4U says facts. Webster Crowley says I be pedaling in style with my sun and rain shade. Tushmo0ove4U says lol.
Alright, we slowed down, but we're picking it back up. Had my second wind just kick in, my legs didn't go spaghetti. I think that's like the coolest thing about the human body. That second wind just, I don't know if it's adrenaline or what, you just don't feel nothing. Just go numb. So we got to leave this spot at 1:30 and hit the other spot up.
Webster Crowley says I hope by Monday I can't walk from all the pedaling. I've been working too hard at the computer.
Yeah, man. That's exactly how I was feeling. I'm feeling that I haven't been optimally working because I've been sitting down so much that I'm trying to regenerate that what I lost. But yeah, it'll come. Only reason why I'm stopping here is wind's blowing towards me. This is the first tree in slack water coming around this bend. So if there are any big ones traveling that are going for, you know, that rest stop looking for some McDonald's, I'm trying to be that nugget. I'm trying to be that chicken nugget with the spinner bait. I should have threw the underspin. It is what it is. If they bite it, they bite it. That was a good catch. Hey, thanks for that follow, Luke. Appreciate you. Oh, I like when it's of a tree limb, just goes whoop, goes weightless, and then it just falls and cascades, and you can feel it.
Luke 19HWB Way says have you?
Man, I can't complain.
Luke 19HWB Way says call anything.
Yeah, I called a couple out. I called about 3 fish, but yeah, I've caught about like 11 to 12 fish today. All right, I don't think anything's at this tree that I want to sit here and wait for. I don't feel like jigging it either. All right, we'll go spinnerbait the tree on the point and then move on about our business. Good news is our cove that we were at should be protected from this wind, so we get a second try at a lot of we get a new try at like new fish that are getting moved in if they take that stop and come down there. So it's really cool. There's potential we have new visitors.
Webster Crowley says I am trolling the 6 cents Pico underspin with a crappie thumper on the BFS today. I hope that reel starts clicking and it's not a snag.